Hey everybody, welcome back to the Life in Overdrive YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a common car issue. How to tell if you have a bad battery or an alternator. First things first, it's very important that you have clean battery terminals. If you have an acid plume like this, make sure to check out my video on cleaning the terminals, linked above. Here's some good reasons to perform battery tests. The average trouble-free lifespan of a battery is around 3 years. While some batteries might last longer, a measurable decrease in performance can be detected at around the 3-year-old mark. Here's more reasons why you should perform these tests. I also like to do these before I go on long road trips to ensure that I don't have any issues. Safety glasses, rubber gloves, a multimeter, a battery charger, and a battery tester. These are the recommended tools to perform battery and alternator tests. First up, we'll be testing the battery voltage with a multimeter.
Make sure to connect your leads. The black lead goes to the COM port and the red lead goes to the input.
Once under the hood, we can remove the terminal cover. For more no-fluff, value-added automotive how-to videos, make sure to click the subscribe button. Locate your positive battery terminal and your negative battery terminal.
Set it to 12 volts.
Set your multimeter
DC.
to 12 volts DC. Healthy battery will read between 12.4 and 12.6 volts. If your battery voltage is below 12.4 volts, your battery might be weak or discharged. Verifying your battery holds a charge with a battery tester. Here's how. Red goes to positive and black goes to negative. Don't miss the terminals. With the terminals connected, we can plug the charger in. On screen now is an overview of all of the rate selections that this battery charger has to offer. The round gray button can be used to toggle these modes. You can also use this to start your vehicle. And here's an overview of what the LED indicators on the front of the charger mean. This charger's default mode is to charge and maintain. So basically, all you need to do is connect the terminals and plug it in and you're good to charge. It is for that reason that I'd recommend this to just about anyone. After the battery has been on the charger for a few hours, you come back out and read the voltage. If you have a bad cell or your battery is going completely bad, you can quickly see that after you turn off the charger, the voltage will drop off. To be the most certain you can be, I recommend performing a battery load test. This can be done with a battery load tester. First up, you're going to want to locate your battery type and your cold cranking amps. These can be found on the sticker on the top of the battery. You'll need to know exactly which battery type you have in order to use the battery tester properly. On screen now are the most common types of automotive batteries. Automotive battery load testers can be rented from an auto parts store, or you can purchase them for around $50. Mine is linked below. Using the tester is fairly simple. Just connect the leads and then select battery test. Select your battery type. This one is an AGM. Next, you're going to need to enter your cold cranking amps. This battery has 800 cold cranking amps. Select enter and the tester will run your battery test. This battery is in fact good and healthy. If your battery is not healthy, the screen will look something like this, indicating that you do in fact need to replace your battery. Now let's check the alternator. We're going to use the same battery load tester that we used in the previous step. After I've selected charging system test, it indicates that I need to start the engine. With the engine started, I can hit enter. It'll begin running a test. Next, it asks to increase the engine speed to 2500 RPM for 5 seconds. After I've revved the engine to 2500 RPM for 5 seconds, I can run the test. The alternator is in fact good. Remember to reinstall your positive battery terminal cover.
Tap it in. Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.